Hey, it's Amit from Dreamer Technology. Today we are going to see how to create product catalog in Dream CRM. So let's have a look. Go to product catalog, then go to create product catalog. Now provide the product name Asus 1430. This is the product name and this is the part number of a product. Different part number for different product. Now select a type, whether it is hardware or software product. If it is hardware, select the hardware. Select the taxable, non-taxable. If it is taxable, click on taxable. Now select the manufacturer. This is the list of manufacturer. Just select it's Asus. This is the category. Just type it is mouse, keyboard, desktop. It's a laptop. So we select as laptop. Now we will talk about cost price, then MRP and MSP, and what are the difference. So let's have a look. There are three different price in product catalog. You can see cost price is something the money paid by the dealer to the manufacturer or wholesaler to buy the product is called the cost price. Something we can call as landing price to dealer. Then there is MRP. The MRP is the final price that a good is sold to customer. For those being the end user or consumer, you can call. MSP is minimum selling price, means we cannot sell the product below MSP. So let's have a look in CRM again. So this is the product cost price. We can say it is 25,000. Then MRP is, we can say 30,000. And minimum selling price is 27,500. We cannot sell below this price. And this is HSN code of a product. Now we can put a terms and condition for this particular product. So it's come with 1 year warranty. So whatever terms and condition we can write here. If any kind of description we can put, just click on save. The same product is created. The same way you can create multiple product catalog, or you can also import directly from, if you have a ready Excel sheet, we can also import it directly. So why it is important to create product first. So for example, let's go to create lead. Here if you type Asus, you can see the product is available. If it is not available, it will not show. You can also click on this icon and you can have a list of product catalog what we already created in system. So first we have to create a product catalog in system. So once you select this, the same way if you go for product is something what we sold to client. For example, if you want to select, if any of the model like we created just now Asus 1430, so you can see the part number, everything is available with automation without doing any manual entry. Everything is, you can see the cost price, you can see the price, you can see the text classes is already selected, you can see the product terms, it's auto selected from the product catalog. So let's go again to the product catalog. So first we have to create product catalog. What we are selling a product. So if we have a number of products, first you have to create a product. If you have a more than 1,500 product catalog, you just click on import and just select the file and you can just import it. Thank you so much. We will come with other video. Have a nice day.